All right, today we'll be rolling out our clay slabs and cutting out our templates. We've got this circle and this rectangle that we're going to cut out of the slab here. We need a rolling pin for today and a knife tool. I've got my tiles on the side. I've already pounded this out most of the way with my hands, and then I take the rolling pin and I roll it out. And I want to go until the rolling pin touches the tiles, so that way the slab is the same height the whole way through. So I can hear it hitting the tiles. And if it ever gets too wide that it touches the tiles, I just take my knife and I trim along the side. And I just put the waste scraps to the side because I can use that clay later. All right. Once the clay slab is all the same height and it's big enough that I can fit both templates, I'm going to lay them out. I'm going to press very gently. I don't want to push too hard, otherwise the templates will stick to the clay and it's going to be hard to pull them off. Then I take my knife tool, make sure the tip is clean. I need to hold it vertically. And I'm going to use my fingers to keep it vertical the whole time as I cut. I went edge to edge there. That way I can just peel the excess off. You don't want any twisting in the knife, otherwise you're going to have crooked walls, and you want a nice clean vertical wall, a vertical edge. The circle's kind of tricky, so I'm going to trim off the excess here. Alright, I need to keep it vertical. I don't need to do any sawing. I just point the knife all the way to point the tip all the way to the board, and then I just rotate, and I rotate my body to do half this way, and I come back around and I do half the other way. Then I'm going to make some relief cuts so I can just trim it. Alright, now I should be able to gently peel off my templates. With the disc, I might need to use the knife, just stick the edge in just enough. Okay, then it pops right off. Once I've got my templates, I'm going to take my board and my newspaper, and you'll be working with a partner on this part. So you'll lay the board down. Then you have a layer of newspaper, and then one partner's rectangular slab, a layer of newspaper, and then I gently peel my slab up. I don't want any twisting. And lay it down on the newspaper. Put another layer down, then both clay discs. If you want to keep yours straight from your partners, you can take a needle tool and make a very small initials in the clay. Don't go deep. And we're going to insert the bag one end, or insert the board one end into the bag. Pull it down tight. Take another bag over the other end. Okay, pull that down tight, and then it's set for storage until we do the next part tomorrow.